Do you have problems understanding what SEO is? Today I'm gonna help you to navigate through this difficult part of digital marketing and explain you the basics of SEO. I am Dennis, I'm the CEO of digital marketing agency, and every day I have to explain SEO to my clients. Let's dive in the basics of SEO. Sit back, relax, and let's dive in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's a process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results page. So let's start from the beginning. When you enter a query in Google, for example, what do you see? Yes, exactly. You see search engine results pages. And you may notice that the top block is often labeled by a word sponsor. And this is not SEO. Actually, it is paid ads, Google ads. Main point here that the advertiser has to pay for each click, so paid ads, it's more like a fancy party with rich kids where you have to pay for the privilege of hanging out with them. And it's not cheap, trust me.
Oh, okay.
But don't worry, you can still join the cool kids gang by scrolling down and get into the organic results. And the best part here, it's like getting the free pass to Disneyland, is that if somebody clicks to your website from organic results, you wouldn't have to pay a penny.
What are you saying?
Of course, nothing in life comes for free, and getting to the top organic results page is absolutely not easy. It takes you to invest a lot of efforts, time, money, sometimes even some voodoo magic. But once you get there, it's like being the king of the world. Except without this weird haircut and the boat sinking at the end. So let's sum it up. What's the difference between SEO and paid advertising? Paid advertising, it's like the paying for each door your customers go through to come to your store, while SEO is just about making your store more attractive for people to come for free. Anyway, there are benefits and drawbacks to both these strategies, but SEO is more sustainable in the long run, while paid advertising more effective in the short term. Alright, now let's quickly go over SEO types. Actually, I would count 4, and you can't pick just one, you have to deal with all of them. So we're gonna talk about on-page SEO, off-page SEO, local SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO includes optimizing content and structure of your website. It includes optimizing meta text, optimizing appropriate keywords, doing some keyword research, making good content, etc. Well, so this is all about making your website look its best in the eyes of search engines. It's like giving your website a little bit makeover to let it strut down the search engine results page. Next, off-page SEO. It is about some works out of your website. Of course, it includes such important things like link building, when you have to create a lot of links on the other trustworthy websites and to let Google understand that your website is quite cool. So off-page SEO, it's like networking for your website. It's about making connections and relationships for the website. Local SEO. Actually, it is all about putting your website on the maps, quite literally. So you have to make sure that people who are looking for the place next to them, they can find you. So you need to create some content which is location-based content, and it contains location-based keywords. Next, technical SEO. Actually, it's all about some technical things, some technical issues, and fixing them. So you need to make sure that your website is mobile friendly, it has good page speed results, and other technical things. Basically, it's like giving the trainer to your website to teach it to jump higher, run faster, etc. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this small SEO for Dummies crash course. If you didn't get something, you always can leave the comments below and ask me any questions. If you like this video, put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time in other videos.